Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Methi Mutter in coconut milk. Methi Mutter Malai तो हम लोग खाते ही हैं. So I thought I'll make it slightly different by adding coconut milk in this. Now for the tadka I have taken cumin seeds, half teaspoon, one tej patta and 1 inch dalchini, 2 cloves and 1 elaichi, and in that I have added 2 cups of chopped methi. Here I have kept the mutter for boiling. This is the cashew, magaj and onion paste. In this I have added around 10 cashews, 1 tablespoon of magaj soaked in water for 3 hours. Then 1 onion boiled and added to this to grind to a smooth paste. Now we will add the paste in this because only the onion is cooked, cashew is raw. So we'll cook this till the raw taste of the cashew and magaj goes off. While grinding the paste, I added green chilli. Detailed ingredients details I will give it in the description box. You can check that. I've cooked this for 5 minutes. Now we'll add the coconut milk in it. Around quarter cup of coconut milk. Thick coconut milk it is. After adding the coconut milk, do not boil this. Just mix well and switch off the gas. I have also added few cashew pieces while cooking the methi and mutter. Now time for plating. The methi mutter in coconut milk is ready to serve along with chapati, bhakri, roti, etc. If you do not have cream, this is another option for making methi mutter during the season. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.